J&D Institute of Nursing in Surat, we strive to provide the highest quality education and training to our students. To achieve this, we need a robust system to streamline our administrative, academic, and financial process. That's when we turn to the Zapier software solutions and implemented Vidyalaya ERP. Today, Vidyalaya ERP has transformed how we operate, making our process more efficient, transparent, and user-friendly. One of our biggest challenges was managing students' data from the admission to attendance and academic performance. Vidyalaya Students Management module centralizes everything seamlessly. Biometric attendance ensure the accurate tracking, while bulk WhatsApp and SMS notification keep the parents informed in the real time, reducing our workload and improving parent satisfaction. The finance management module revolutionized fee collection with a secure payment gateway and automated receipt, reducing the error and late payment. Real-time financial dashboard provide insight for better planning. The exam management module streamlined exam and result. Automated timetable, report card, and mobile app integration allow the real-time result access, saving time and improving grading transparency. The employee management module simplified staff management with a centralized database, biometric attendance, and the customizable performance dashboard. SMS and email alerts enhance the internal communication and efficiency. Vidyalaya ERP has been a transformative solution for J&D Institute of Nursing. Its seamless integration, user-friendly interface, and robust features have made our process more efficient and transparent. Zapier software solution has been an excellent partner, providing timely support and customization to meet our specific need. We highly recommended Vidyalaya ERP to any education institution looking to enhance their operations and deliver better outcome for the students and staff. Zapier software solution for improving us with Vidyalaya ERP. It has truly made a difference in how we manage our institute, and we look forward continuing this successful partnership.